Breaking news also coming in because viewers, this is amidst a Me Too tsunami and the storm which is raging in Mollywood. Now we have actor Samantha who has cited the voice of women. She has basically put out a post. She basically shared their post, to be precise, and she's appealed to the Telangana government. Now what is this appeal to the Telangana government? What exactly is this voice of women? They basically say that the Telangana government, they've reached out to them and said and requested the government to publish the report on sexual harassment cases there as well. They've said release the report for Tollywood as well. Varshini continues to be live with us. Varshini, take us through this tweet which has been put out, or rather this post which has been shared by Samantha Ruth Prabhu.
Well, Samantha Ruth Prabhu is an actress who's acted in all of the different film industries in the country, and where a voice like hers, taking a stand in support of the women who are now coming out and speaking about the experiences they have had is very important. And she has spoken particularly about the Telugu film industry, she's also spoken about how taking inspiration from the Women in Cinema Collective. There was a committee that was organization that was formed in the Telugu film industry also in 2019 called the Voice of Women, and she says that we should also the Telugu film industry also needs a HEMA committee like committee in the Telugu film industry to investigate and submit a report on what is the situation there and how are the women working there, and that will also bring about a lot of information that people do not know so far. So this particular stand that Samantha had taken is resonating to every other industry, is what one can understand, because of the diverse work she's done in the multiple film industries. So from Mollywood we can really see the impact moving to Telugu film industry and Tamil film industry as well. So this voice, this chorus for a need of more committees to bring out the truth from different working spaces for women in the film industry is only intensifying that we are able to understand by now.